Hi and welcome to this unboxing video of the WDC10. My name's Nigel, I'm Sales Manager here at BenQ and also Product Champion for the InstaShow range. What we're going to do is take you through a quick video as to how easy it is to unbox the unit and also install the unit. So, as you can see, you get the WDC10 receiver, two buttons, again HDMI and USB for power. You then get the cradle for the buttons, box with the power pack in it, and a box of accessories. This contains HDMI cable, the USB cable for power, the aerials, the straps and the bracket. Also an easy install user guide. So now this product's been unboxed, let's just show you how simple it is to connect this device. So grab the WDC10, plug in the HDMI cable. We've already plugged it into the back of the monitor. Connect the power and the plug. The device will then light up, letting you know it's receiving the power. While I'm connecting the antennas, just to let you know, it's ISO 27001 certified for security. It also has its own CVSS rating that's been done separately. It creates a peer-to-peer network using the buttons that are supplied. You also have a choice of buttons. So this kit is the HDMI kit. You can get a USB kit as well. So you buy the USB kit, you just have the one button for the power, the audio and the visual. This one, as I've already said, is the HDMI kit. If you need to, you can then actually buy the buttons separately. So you can buy a pair of USB-C buttons that will work with the HDMI kit and vice versa. So it's a lovely, simple system to actually use. So the button's now plugged in and waiting. We're waiting for it to come onto the screen to let me know that it can actually be used. And there we go. Press the button and it casts directly from the monitor, from your laptop onto the monitor. Nice and simple system to use. If there's any questions you have, please go through to benq.co.uk and contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you. Many thanks.